We have already discussed the Krebs cycle in brief. Now we will study the steps of Krebs cycle in detail one by one. Krebs cycle begins with the condensation of a 4 carbon molecule oxaloacetate and the acetyl group of acetyl coenzyme A. This reaction is an aldol condensation followed by a hydrolysis, that is, oxaloacetate reacts with acetyl coenzyme A and a water molecule to produce citrate and coenzyme A. The reaction is catalyzed by the enzyme citrate synthase. Aldol condensation is a type of reaction where an enol ion binds with the carbonyl carbon to form beta hydroxyaldehyde or beta hydroxy ketone. Step 2 of Krebs cycle is an isomerization reaction where citrate is converted into isocitrate. It involves two steps in which water is first removed and then added back, moving the hydroxyl group from one carbon atom to its neighbor. The enzyme catalyzing this step is aconitase. A toxic compound, fluoroacetate, is a potent inhibitor of aconitase, and so it blocks the activity of aconitase, blocking the citric acid cycle. In the Krebs cycle, 4 oxidation steps take place. The first of the 4 oxidation steps occur in the third step of the Krebs cycle. In step 3, isocitrate is oxidized and decarboxylated to a 5 carbon molecule alpha ketoglutarate. This oxidative decarboxylation reaction of isocitrate is catalyzed by the enzyme isocitrate dehydrogenase. In this reaction, the carbon carrying the hydroxyl group is converted to a carbonyl group, resulting in the formation of a molecule of NADH. The product formed is unstable, and so this results in the release of a molecule of carbon dioxide immediately. In step 4, the second oxidative decarboxylation reaction takes place, which results in the formation of succinyl coenzyme A from alpha ketoglutarate. Succinyl coenzyme A is a 4 carbon molecule. The reaction is catalyzed by alpha ketoglutarate dehydrogenase. Just like step 3, in this step also, a molecule of NADH and a carbon dioxide is produced. In the fifth step of the Krebs cycle, the thioester bond of succinyl coenzyme A is cleaved, and this is coupled with the phosphorylation of an ADP or a GDP. This is the only step in citric acid cycle, unlike glycolysis, where substrate level phosphorylation takes place. In animal cells, GDP or ATP can be formed. ATP and GTP are both energetically equivalent, but in the cells of plants, bacteria, and some animal tissues, only ATP molecule is formed. In the sixth step, the third oxidation of the Krebs cycle takes place, where a molecule of FAD removes two hydrogen atoms from succinate, forming FADH2. The enzyme involved is succinate dehydrogenase. A compound, malonate, is a structural analog of succinate and strongly inhibits the activity of succinate dehydrogenase. This is a classic example of a competitive inhibitor. In the seventh step, fumarate which is formed is converted into malate. The addition of water to fumarate places a hydroxyl group next to the carbonyl carbon, forming malate. Enzyme involved is fumarase. The last step of Krebs cycle is also the last of the four oxidation steps of the Krebs cycle. In this step, oxaloacetate is regenerated from malate. Enzyme involved is malate dehydrogenase. The carbon carrying the hydroxyl group is converted to a carbonyl group and a molecule of NADH is formed.